Yo, what is up, YouTube? Back here with Howard & Sons Lawn Care, and well, today we're gonna be mowing grass. So, gonna be mowing that one. Gonna be mowing two over there. So, yeah, guys. So, I'm loading the deck, and we are gonna be mowing with the new 2022 grandstand from Schlewa. So I'll be showing you guys. All right, guys. So, I'm gonna pull out the trailer, and I'm gonna show you around. Alright guys, so here we have it. We have the 2022 grandstand. It does have a quick shoot, and also it does have a trash bucket right there, and a cup holder up there. Yeah guys, let's get into some mowing. Alright guys, so leave me down in the comment section down below how you guys liked it, or what you guys think of the new mower. It really cuts like good. I like the quick shoot, and yeah, it really strikes amazing. So we gotta do this yard right here, and then I gotta do the front yard. Yeah, let's hop into it. Alright guys, so as you can see in this yard, it is very brown. I haven't had rain in for like over a week, so just want to point that out to you. So probably not going to be mowing next week. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if I went over this yet, but on the grandstand here, we do have the quick shoot. We do have a trash bucket and a like trash cloth thing, so we don't have to use hands and stuff. We got like a total like trash bag holder and a cup holder, but lost the trash bag to that. Then for the engine here, but it is a 52-inch deck. For the engine, we got the Kohler Command Pro ECV 740 EFI engine. So I love EFI engines. They save on gas a lot. But yeah, it smells awesome. I'll catch you on the next drive, I guess. So yeah. So I don't know why I just ended that right there, but I'm gonna show you guys how the striping turned out. I think it turned out pretty nice for a burnt yard, I feel like. But yeah, let me know in the comment section how you guys' day is going. Make sure you drop a like and hit that subscribe button. But here's the front yard. It's going into the back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe with the bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.